Imagine the colorful streets of San Diego, where 28-year-old Jessica, with a vibrant smile and a sketchbook under her arm, tells us about her lifelong romance with sugar. As a child, Jessica was the master of the secret candy stash, and during her teens, she turned her sweet tooth into a paycheck at Dreamy Delights Bakery. Sugar was more than just a treat, it shaped her days from school lunches to designing menus filled with decadent desserts. But as her career took off, Jessica noticed the toll of her sugary habits, with mounting health challenges that no amount of sugar could sweeten. In a brightly lit doctor's office, Jessica sits quietly, grappling with news that reshapes her reality. Her journey of indulgence had led to a health scare that struck deep, revealing early signs of type 2 diabetes and a weight concern that couldn't be ignored. Jessica shares her whirlwind of emotions, from the sting of fear about her potentially bleak future, to the heartache over her sugary indulgences that, while comforting, had ensnared her in a dangerous addiction. It was a poignant moment of truth, a call to arms to take back control of her health and her life. Fueled by determination, Jessica ventured into a new chapter, embracing a diet foreign yet promising. Guided by Dr. Susan Lee, she began unraveling the science of ketogenic eating, rich in fats and proteins, yet low in sugars that once ruled her plate. The transition wasn't easy. Jessica fought through keto flu symptoms and faced the social hurdles of skipping dessert at gatherings. She experimented in her kitchen, blending avocados into pudding and whisking almond flour for pancakes. Every new dish was a step away from cravings, each bite a victory on her journey back to wellness. 9 transformative months later, Jessica beams with pride, her achievements a testament to her resolve. The scales tip favorably and her energy soars, no trace of diabetes, a vibrant reminder of her new life. She joyously recounts crossing the marathon finish line, a dream realized through grit and newfound stamina. Celebrating this milestone, Jessica gathers with close friends for a keto anniversary party, reflecting on a journey sprinkled with challenges and sweetened by support. They toast to victories, both on the scale and in spirit, each cheer a step toward a healthier, happier future.